Hello everybody, this is Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place. Today's video is about what is the cracking or the popping sound that I hear when I get adjusted. So, we get that question all the time in our office from patients. Some people are typically kind of concerned or maybe even a little afraid of what that noise is. So we wanted to do this video to kind of explain that, hopefully eliminate any unnecessary fears about what that noise is. So when chiropractors are checking the spine, we're looking for segments that aren't moving properly. And when we place our hand on the spine and we make a chiropractic adjustment, what we're doing is we're using a high velocity thrust to get motion into those joints, to open them up really, really fast. And so when we do that, it creates a vacuum in those joints, a quick stretch of the joints. And that stretching allows the gas inside the joint to rush out. So that cracking or popping noise you hear is just CO2 or nitrogen gas coming out of the joints when chiropractors make a quick thrust to open the joint up. So as you can see, it's just gas coming out. There's no grinding, there's no breaking, there's nothing like that causing that noise. It's just the gas coming out, right? Those gases are made from the cartilage. It's just a waste gas, just like we breathe out CO2 as a waste gas. That's part of the gases that are in the joint. When a chiropractor makes that adjustment, it's just opening up that joint and those gases rush out and make that noise. So hopefully that makes a little bit more sense to you. And when you go to the chiropractor, what you're hearing when you get adjusted. I'm Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place.